Is AI about to replace software as we know it? Software stocks didn't fall last week because of bad earnings. In fact, the earnings were very good in my opinion. They fell because investors are starting to ask an uncomfortable question, and that is AI about to replace software entirely? The anxiety was caused by Anthropic's release of a new autonomous AI agent called Cowork, the launch of industry-specific Cowork plugins, and the rise of OpenClaw, an open-source AI assistant. For more than a decade, software companies have dominated the modern economy. Software such as CRMs, project management tools, design platforms, analytics dashboards, and workflow apps has become the backbone of how work gets done. They have been indispensable to running most businesses. Then AI came along. AI is no longer just improving those tools, it's starting to eat into and replace them. That is the worry and the crux of the market upheaval in software stocks. Here is the shift nobody was ready for. For years, AI was marketed as a feature. It will make smarter suggestions. It will help with faster automation and lead to more productivity. What changed recently is that AI stopped behaving like a feature and started acting like a coworker, not a chatbot, not a plugin, but an actual digital worker. Autonomous AI agents can now plan tasks, execute them, connect to data sources, and deliver finished work without needing a traditional app interface. That single shift changes everything. Here's where things get wild. Journalists recently used an AI coding assistant to recreate a full project management system from scratch. No developers were needed, neither was coding experience necessary. They just gave instructions in simple, plain English. In minutes, the AI produced a working dashboard with task boards, team assignments, and status tracking. Then it researched existing project management platforms on its own and rebuilt their core features. Calendars, workflows, and reminders appeared automatically. Once connected to email and calendars, the system stopped feeling like software and became a personalized operating system. It found forgotten calendar events. It created reminders. It organized life, not just work. All of that happened in under an hour, at a cost of just a few dollars in AI compute. That's when the fear set in. So, why are investors suddenly nervous? AI doesn't compete with software the way new startups used to. It doesn't need to win market share one customer at a time. It bypasses the product entirely. The most exposed companies are the ones that sit on top of work, rather than owning the underlying data or infrastructure. Tools that organize, visualize, or manage tasks are especially vulnerable. If an AI agent can generate a custom system on demand, the value of a generic subscription tool drops fast. On the other hand, platforms tied to security, infrastructure, or deep system-level data are harder to replace, but even those are no longer untouchable. Why did the new AI models change the game? The latest AI models aren't just smarter, they're structurally different. They can process massive amounts of information at once. They can process entire document libraries, full code bases, and complex financial or legal workflows. They also know when to think and when to respond instantly. That makes them capable of handling real knowledge work, not just surface-level tasks. Even presentations, spreadsheets, and reports are now closer to production-ready on the first attempt. That means less cleanup of your work, less correction by humans, and less dependency on software. The market reaction was immediate. Software stocks dropped hard. Legal and financial software companies were hit especially hard. The broader tech market followed. This had nothing to do with their quarterly earnings or performance. There was fear about whether the entire software category would be relevant in an AI-first world. And that's why this moment feels different from past tech scares. So, will AI replace jobs too? That was the next question on everyone's mind. And the answer is complicated. AI will absolutely change how work is done. Entry-level roles are already being affected, productivity expectations are rising fast, But large companies move slowly. Security, compliance, and governance still matter. AI adoption won't be instant or uniform. What is clear is that software companies can't stand still. They either evolve into AI-first platforms or risk becoming optional. People are missing the bigger shift taking place today. It's not just about AI versus software. It's about software unbundling itself. When users can describe what they want in natural language and get a system built around them instantly, interfaces stop being the main source of value. Outcomes become the product. Software used to win by abstracting complexity. AI wins by removing abstraction entirely, and that's why investors, founders, and workers are all paying attention now. So, the question is this the end of software? Most people agree, not exactly, but it is the end of software as we've known it. There has been a fundamental shift. Just having dashboards alone won't survive. Likewise, static tools won't be enough. The future belongs to AI-powered systems that adapt, reason, and execute across workflows, and we're only at the beginning of that shift. If you want to explore some of the most powerful AI tools shaping this new era, check out the popular AI tools linked in the description below. If this video helped you understand what's really happening beneath the headlines, like the video, and bang that bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. Also, subscribe to my channel for more deep dives into AI and tech. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.